Mobile Technology and Game-Based Learning Applications in Distance Education by Hanan Sweden. This presentation will briefly describe the use of mobile technology and game-based learning applications in distance education. It will also discuss the utilities, outline the advantages and disadvantages, and will provide a demonstration on how it can help teachers and professors in distance education. What is meant by mobile technology? Mobile technology is a device with a wireless connectivity and a multifunction system. Some examples of mobile technologies are laptops, iPods, tablets, smartphones, and computers. With the help of mobile technology opening a new channel of communication between people, researchers invented a game-based learning applications as a strategy where teachers and professors can use in a classroom. Advantages of game-based learning applications. As we all know, there are different types of learning styles. The three main types are visual learners, auditory learners, and kinesthetic learners. Most people learn best through a combination of all three types of learning styles, but everybody is different. Combining learning styles to a classroom been a concern to teachers and professors over time, up to and until mobile technologies arrived. In 2001, PrintSky presented a number of types of learning and related them to possible game styles. PrintSky did not limit himself to the three main types of learning styles. Instead, he came up with his own learning styles. As you can see here, PrintSky used many different types of learning styles such as facts, skills, judgment, behavior, theories, reasoning, and so on and so forth. Now this table over here helps you link your game style to the different type of learning style. This focuses on supporting learners to develop and test their own understanding of the world rather than memorizing facts. PrintSky tested his results in a face-to-face classroom environment, not through distance, so that on the spot he can help and support when possible, in order to solve any technical issues or problems students were facing. After all, PrintSky does assure this working for both distance education and face-to-face learning environment. Disadvantages of game-based learning applications. Distractions. Dr. Heather Coffey stated that there had been doubts in whether games are actually benefiting the students rather than distracting them from their own studies. That being said, they are unsure of whether the effort put into using games is worth the end results. This table reports a survey of the game-playing behavior of 60 students at Sanders Secondary High School. The data was gathered through an online questionnaire using SurveyMonkey. In total, 48% were male and 52% were female. As you can see here, most students strongly agree, or at least somewhat agree, that learning by playing can be done without anyone's help. That being said, it proves that this is beneficial to distance education, since a lot of the material needs to be learned at one's own responsibility. Now it's time for the demonstration. As you can see here, there are many different game-based learning websites and apps all over the internet. However, this one in particular I prefer most. The nice thing about this website is, 1, it's for free, 2, it can be for teachers, parents, and students, and 3, you don't need to sign up in order to access all the resources that they have. In order to join as a teacher, parent, or student, all you need to do is press on the Join Now button, and it will take you to this page where you will fill in the required information. Once you fill in all the required information, it will ask you here for a state. You can choose anything you want as long as you put zeros, 5 zeros for the zip code. Once that is done, you'll see this page. From here, you can look for different activities to support your class. You can start setting up your class. You can start setting up a playlist, or you can work on your account. In order to start, we must set up a class. To set up a class, all you need to do is create a new class. For example, you can put 12th age. You can add any descriptions that you would like, for example, math class, and you create. It will give you a code right here that you will need to pass on to your students in order to join the class. From here on, you can add your own resources, or you can use the resources that they have on the website to add on to your class. For example, we can click on the certified activities, and it will take us to a page that looks like this. In order to limit our search, we choose the grade that we would like. We choose the topic that we would like, in what subject that you would like as well. And it will limit any resources that you have. From there on, you can choose if you want videos, you want games, exploration, creating tools, or if you want iPad-based videos or applications only. For example, if we press on the game one, it will only give you ones with games that you can use in a classroom. In order to add this to your classroom, all you need to do is press on the Add to Playlist. All you need to do now, since it's our first playlist, is name your playlist and press Save. Now, with the use of this code, both parents and students can access whatever you add on to your class. The nice thing about this website is you don't even need to be in a classroom or sign up in order to access the resources that they have. For example, if we press on the map, it'll take you to the same page that we had before, where you can choose the grade that you would like, you can choose the topic and subject that you would like, and you will still have access to all the resources that they would have.